Hi there, welcome to my channel. I went yarn shopping at Michael's. Come and join me and see what I got. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda, and yes, I went shopping at Michael's, and I'm going to tell you what I like about Michael's and what I love to hate about Michael's. Well, their marketing is questionable. But anyways, first I will tell you I did end up buying some yarn, but there's a reason specifically why I decided to go to Michael's. I wasn't initially planning to go to Michael's, but I got an email from them. A wonderful email telling me about all the yarn they have on sale. Fabulous sales, more than 50% off, like $5 for a cake that's typically $14.99. As an example, a touch of alpaca. I can't remember the original price, but it was less than $2 a skein. I was all excited. Well, my excitement turned to disappointment when I went to Michael's and there was nothing, almost nothing, that was on sale in that store. And even with the yarn that it was supposedly on sale for certain colors, none of those colors were available. Colors that were so similar, but nothing that was the same as what was on sale. So I was not a happy shopper, but the good thing is that I had a sales clerk who was wonderful. She was understanding. She's a crocheter herself. She gets it. She understood me. And the manager was also very sympathetic. I think they know what's going on at head office with Michael's because I've had some issues before with delivery nightmares and just yarn that's advertised that's there and it isn't. So yeah, I might just complain again just to let them know that, this is just not fair to your customers because, customers come in. They take time out of their day to go in and to get what they see in your advertisements that you send to their email, and it's not really fun not to find anything that's in the advertisement. But that being said, I did find something and it wasn't even marked down. It was supposed to be on sale and it was on sale and it wasn't even marked down. But I did a lot of research ahead of time and I found that it was on sale. So I told the manager and he honored the price. And then because he was understanding to my frustration, he offered me 40% off on whatever I purchased. That being said, I thought I would try some of the new yarn, but it's really expensive, really overpriced. So that was not something that I was happy about, but with 40% off, it made it a little more reasonable. So I'm excited to try this new yarn and show you how it works up. So sorry, I rambled, but now that you've heard my experience with Michael's, I'm going to show you what I bought. So it's just one small bag. And the first thing I got were these cotton cakes. So this is the Caron cotton cakes in the colorway Blush and Bloom. It is a summery color. Summer's almost over, but this is one that was advertised on sale for $5, marked down from $14.99. I found two of them in the store, and so even though they weren't marked down in the store, the manager found, these are the ones that the manager found and honored the price. So let me tell you a little bit about these. I've purchased these before, not this colorway. I actually wasn't crazy with this color, but it's growing on me. It's got the pinks and the taupes and the cream, a little bit of coral. So that's nice. This is a nice size skein. It's 8.8 ounces, 250 grams, 530 yards of 4 medium weight yarn, but I always think it's a 3, this yarn. I'm not sure if you've used it and if you have an opinion on it, but to me it's more like a 3 weight. It is a cotton blend, this yarn. It's not 100% cotton, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Nice and soft. I made a beach cover-up. If you haven't seen it, it was with a different color of this yarn. So I'm going to link you to that just so you can see what's made in this yarn if you haven't yet seen it. So yeah, it was okay to work up with. I had some issues with it, but I figured $5 is a great price for this, so I got 2 of those. The exciting part is getting 40% off on this new yarn that I really want to try and show it to you, work it up with you. But right now I'll show it to you, and then we'll do some videos of this yarn to let you know if I like it. At regular price, it's from good to not so good pricing. At 40% off, it's a little more reasonable. This one is extremely soft. This is Caron's Cloud Cakes. It's a new one, and this is the color that I chose. This is the color that I liked. I have to be honest, I'm a little bit picky on colors, and some of these self-striping ones, even if there's one color in there that I don't like, it's going to turn me off. So this is the one I chose. I got 2 of them. Regular price at $14.99, which to me is pricey. It's a nice size though. It's a 4-weight, and again, I find it, well, maybe this is truer to a 4-weight. And this one is 100% polyester. So I guess that's what makes it really soft. And it is machine washable and dryable, which is nice. This color is called Lagoon, and I like it. It's got these dark teals and blues and this purple and black. These are my kind of colors. I really like this. And it could make something nice for the fall or even for the winter. I'm not sure what yet. I didn't want to buy more than 2 because even at 40% off, I just didn't feel like spending a ton of money. But this one is 760 yards. So with the 2 of them, I could probably make something pretty decent, like a good size item. And what else can I tell you about this yarn? I think that's pretty much it. It says no wool, so I guess it really caters to those people who don't like natural fibers. I actually like natural fibers, but I'm very open-minded. If I like the softness, if I like the colorway, if it feels nice, I'm going to try to use it and see how it works up. So that is a new one, Caron Cloud Cakes. So stay tuned for future videos because I'm definitely going to try and work that up, let you know what I think. But it is super soft, and I'm sure worked into some type of a garment, it would be fabulous. Really cozy. So that's what that looks like. And let's see what else I got. So these next ones, the regular price on these next ones is $9.99 a skein, which I think is really high priced for what these are. So I got them 40% off. So it turns out that I got them for $6 each, which is okay. I like finding yarn that's a really good value. Unless it's a natural yarn, a really high-end yarn, then I don't mind spending more. But for instance, this one here is Lion Brand's new yarn, Feels Like Heaven, which I really thought would be nice to try. It's not a huge skein. This is considered a 3-weight. It is 100% nylon, which please let me know if you've ever found yarn that was 100% nylon, if you've used it, because honestly, I've never seen yarn that's 100% nylon before. It's soft enough. I wouldn't say it's like heavenly soft like this one, but I still think it might work up really nice. It almost feels like cotton, but we'll see. It's 246 yards, considered a 3-weight. It is a machine wash, but lay flat to dry, which is fine. This one is the colorway Sunny, really pretty shade of yellow. Feels Like Heaven. What else can I tell you about this? It's made in Turkey, 3.5 ounce, 100 grams. And like I said, 246 yards or 225 meters. And recommended hook size is 5mm. So I will try that out too and let you know what I think. This one is so soft, nothing spectacular, but definitely want to try it, see how it works up. It is, this is what it looks like. Interesting thing is this is considered a 3-weight, but I kind of think that this one, well, maybe is the same, and yet this is considered a 4-weight, this is considered a 3-weight, but different companies, different considerations of what they consider to be a 3 or a 4-weight. This one looks like it might be splitty. As you can see on the end, there's that fluffy stuff coming out the top, but it looks like it could be splitty, but I'll find out when I use it. It seems pretty tightly wound. There. So anyways, that should be nice to try. The next one I got is Feels Like Bliss. And I have to say, it does feel like bliss. This one is considered a 5 bulky weight. Look at the softness on that. Look at the halo. It feels incredibly, blissfully soft, I have to say. Now again, this one is regular price $9.99 and 100 grams, 3.5 ounce, 109 yards. This one is 246 yards. This one is being a bulkier weight, 109 yards. This is 100% nylon as well. So Lion Brand is going into the nylon yarns. And this one is machine wash, lay flat to dry. I really love the texture. I have to tell you that I wouldn't pay the regular price of $9.99. It just seems like a lot for a man-made fiber. But that being said, it really is soft and it feels really nice. And this one is 3.5 ounce, 100 grams, 109 yards, 100% nylon, considered a 5-weight. The recommended hook size is 9mm. I don't know, that sounds kind of different to me. It's worth a try. When I try it, I'm going to do a video trying these yarns because they're new, let you know my thoughts on it. I will definitely try with a 9mm and maybe go down to a smaller hook and see the difference. This color is blush, such a pretty pink. I just see this being a really cozy winter hat, and against the skin it would be a dream, like just to have a cowl with this. I didn't buy enough of it because I found that even with 40% off, which I really appreciated, it's still $6 a skein for 109 yards. I'm not saying that's a bad price, but I just felt like that I wanted to try it first to see what I think of it and then wait for it to go on sale. I guess it probably will go on sale eventually. But that is the Feels Like Bliss. So I bought 2 of those, and I bought 2 of the Feel Like Heaven. These ones. So I like the colors, and I look forward to trying them and letting you know what I think. But again, I was not impressed because there were so many incredible sales listed in the Michael's email advertisement, and I could only manage to get these, and there were only 2, so I got the last 2. And unless somebody was looking at their email, they could have possibly paid full price because it wasn't marked down. And that's not fair, Michaels. If you advertise for a lower price, then you need to make sure that it's marked down in the store so your customers are getting what's advertised. Well, that's it. That's what I have to say. let me know what you think of the yarn. Let me know what you think of the prices. Like even the regular prices, $14.99, $9.99. I could see paying $14.99 for this before $9.99 for this or this. But let me know what you think. Is this some yarn that you were thinking of trying? And if you've tried it, let me know your experience. But definitely stick with me because I am going to show you how these work up, and I'll give you my opinion then. So in the meantime, take care, happy crocheting, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.